We interrupt normal programming at the request of the NASA James Webb Space Telescope. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Scientists have said that our world is coming to an end. By a collision with a hypermassive black hole called Ton 618.
This black hole is bigger than Stephenson T-18, known as the largest red hypergiant star in the observable universe. The President Donald Trump has informed everyone the end is close.
All life forms such as plants, animals, and people lives have been devastated.
This calamitous catastrophe cannot be stopped. This is a global emergency action notification.
This broadcast is activated for news.
This disaster cannot be stopped. Stay safe, everyone. May God bless all of you.
Run.
Run.